Our dress, our food, and our every aspect of our culture. So it's a bigger event than what you said today.
How was your experience?
Well, I was approached by the author, our guest author today, to put together the program, and to me that's amazing because our community is so diverse and so rich, and it is in the library that we can get to know each other, and it was a great. Did I say it right? Yes. Namaskar. All of you to the North Miami Public Library. A very wonderful woman. A very courageous woman. She wanted to do something about her culture. And I said, you see people cooking, and we wish we could taste it, but we don't know it. We see their beautiful colors in which they dress and their wonderful dresses, and we say, where do they sell those things? It looks so different than what I wear, right? But we don't talk to each other. We don't know anything about each other. We're neighbors and we don't talk. Community comes together and gets to know each other. Where you, members of the Kashmir community, can showcase your culture to the other members of our community, and we can learn. We have a very special guest in our group. We have our mayor and his wife that are here.
Thank you. I love Kashmir. Kashmir. And it's truly a blessing for the great city of North Miami to welcome all of you in celebration of your beauty and your culture. Let me begin by saying thank you again to the people that organized this wonderful celebration. As all of you know, the city of North Miami is very blessed to be one of the most diverse cities in the state of Florida, and that diversity is shown through the beauty and through your culture and what you have done in our community. And I want to say thank you so much for realizing our beauty, for celebrating our differences, because I have always said it over and over again. Our diversity is our strength. And thank you so much. I truly do love Kashmir for this wonderful gathering that we are having here this afternoon. So on behalf of more than 60,000 residents in this great city of North Miami, on behalf of our local council, the commissioners that represent this great city, and of course our local city employees that have worked so hard to make sure that this city continue to be a beacon of light. This city has been recognized nationally in the last 3 years. We have received 4 separate national awards, and one of them is one of the 10 best cities in the United States of America. We were at the White House on Wednesday with President Obama. The City of North Miami Museum was recognized as one of the 10 best museums in the country, in this great country of the United States of America. The city was recognized earlier this year as a very playful city. That is progress, and as I said it over and over again, that is our diversity. Without having that diversity, the city of North Miami would not have been able to accomplish so much and would not have been the city that it is today. So I love Kashmir, and I do have the city of North Miami is pleased to 500,000 Hindu were displaced and dislodged by acts of terrorism. And many of them immigrated to the United States of America. And today, 22 years later, a majority of them have not, due to fear, returned to their place of birth. And this community has retained and preserved 5,000 years of art, culture, and cuisine, as you heard from our library director. Now, therefore, in consideration of all you have done in your country, here in the city of North Miami, in the United States of America, I, Andre Pierre, mayor of this great city of North Miami, on behalf of the city council and residents, do hereby proclaim today, November 17, 2012, to be Kashmiri Hindu Heritage Day in the city of North Miami.
Thank you, respected Mayor. The Kashmiri community would now like to give you some mementos.
Thank you.
She is the real writer of the book.
Oh, wow. Because you make the story and she writes the story.
Yeah.
Thank you. Right? Thank you. Thank you.
Once again, respected Mayor, and good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Kashmiri Hindu Heritage Day. I think it's a proud moment for the Kashmiri Hindu community that this day has been proclaimed as the Kashmiri Hindu Heritage Day by none other than the mayor of this beautiful city. So thank you once again.
So whatever you see here, that is a small sample of Kashmir has been a powerhouse of spiritual learning for thousands of years. It was not only for the the language, it was rich in music.
Thank you. That was a really wonderful video. I hope you liked it.
Learn a lot. Learn a lot.
Ladies and gentlemen, we Indians are a deeply religious and cultural society, as you would have seen. I'd like to call on the woman of the moment, the one who has created all that we will walk through in a short time, Mrs. Chandra to share her.
Everybody. I feel so good. Finally, as a daughter, I could do something for my mother. Mother Kashmir.
Good job.
Okay. On behalf of our Florida Kashmiri Hindus, it's my great pleasure to welcome all of you. I would like to express our gratitude to our Honorable Mayor Andre Pierre for gracing this event and declaring the third Saturday of November as Kashmiri Hindu Heritage Day. So the purpose of celebrating this event is to create understanding and awareness of rich ancient culture, cuisine, craft, philosophy, section of world. We may be thousands of miles away from our India, but our culture continues to hold the same meaning and memories for us, especially when we are mentally and emotionally starved.